Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to talk about the Google Chat applications again, and I would like to show you the way how to work with Google Chat and how to create a Google Chat for online meeting. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application. So actually this Google Chat application is really a suitable applications for you to work or to study because the features support you to do so. So here I would like to show you the way how to create an online meeting on the Google Chat. So let's say I would like to have a online meeting with my friends that I invite here. So the thing that you have to do is just go open the group member, the organization's chats, or anything, any space that you have been created for work or for school. And after that, you just need to take a look on this bottom side. There will be several features or tools that we can use to create an online meeting. Go click this plus button to attach some of files here, and to create a meeting go into the fourth options 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here is the meet link. So you just need to go click it, and you just need to wait until the Google Chat application generate the link for you and your friends or you and your co-workers to meet in. So here, and after you already got this, just go click send and wait until your teams invited and join it into your Google Meet room that you have been created through Google Chat. So that is the way how to create an online meeting with a Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.